This bird following me is making a way to seek its prey incessantly. How strange, it must not see my whiskers and my teeth or notice my apathy. I don't look back yet, it keeps calling for me. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. This bird sings me a song as if it was spring, a melody lingering, one note too long. How odd, it does not stop. I sigh and carry on. Despite this flying charm, I would never fade on. I took a glance, a moment of doubt, but not for long, for it keeps singing to me, cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Then I turned and tried to reply. I'm so confused. Why do you follow me when I'm the one who pursues? Why not bees or butterflies or the leaves or feed on this prunus? Does a bird not normally perch on a tree while I hunch and crouch and hunt as they peck at the cherries? Instead, you pursue me, yet we cannot be. I wish you know what I'm thinking. Why can't you just see? This bird, eyes full of glaze, left in the silence and flew away. How should a creature behave when wooed without constraint? I gave the look I gave. I had some things to say, but it was too